Plant FAQs, Tillandsia juncifolia. Tillandsia juncifolia, your guide to the grassy air plant. Hi, Ferbvu here. Today, we're diving into the world of Tillandsia juncifolia, a stunning air plant known for its grassy foliage. Whether you're a seasoned plant parent or a curious beginner, this FAQ will equip you with everything you need to know about caring for this unique beauty. See more 690 species in genus Tillandsia, air plants at monsteraholic.com. Tillandsia juncifolia, also sometimes referred to as Tillandsia juncea, is an epiphytic air plant. Unlike traditional houseplants that root in soil, air plants absorb water and nutrients through their leaves. This fascinating adaptation allows them to thrive in various environments, making them a popular choice for terrariums and creative displays. What does Tillandsia juncifolia look like? Imagine a cascade of soft, green, grass-like leaves. That's Tillandsia juncifolia. Its foliage forms a fan-like structure, with a slightly open habit compared to its close cousin, Tillandsia juncea. The leaves can range from a fresh green to a vibrant purple, depending on the light it receives. When exposed to bright light or full sun, the foliage might even develop a beautiful bronze or reddish hue. Tillandsia juncifolia versus juncea. Tillandsia juncifolia and Tillandsia juncea are often mistaken for each other. While they share a similar form, there are some key distinctions. Juncifolia boasts a richer green color compared to juncea's grayish-green tones. Additionally, juncifolia tends to have larger stolons, which are the runners that produce pups, baby plants. How do I care for Tillandsia juncifolia? Tillandsia juncifolia is a relatively low-maintenance plant, perfect for busy plant enthusiasts. Here's the lowdown on its care needs. Light. This air plant thrives in bright, indirect sunlight. Avoid harsh afternoon sun, which can scorch the leaves. Watering. Unlike soil-based plants, Tillandsia juncifolia doesn't need traditional watering. Instead, soak it completely in water for 15 to 30 minutes, once or twice a week. Allow it to dry completely between soakings to prevent rot. Humidity. Juncifolia prefers moderate to high humidity levels, around 50 to 60%. If your home is dry, consider misting the plant regularly or using a humidifier. Air circulation. Good air circulation is crucial for juncifolia's health. Avoid keeping it in stagnant air pockets. Tips for a thriving Tillandsia juncifolia. Fertilizing. While not essential, you can occasionally give your juncifolia a boost with a diluted air plant fertilizer during the growing season, spring and summer. Display ideas. Get creative. Tillandsia juncifolia's unique form makes it perfect for terrariums, mounted displays on driftwood or cork, or nestled in decorative containers with pebbles. Common problems with Tillandsia juncifolia. Overwatering. This is the most common issue. Ensure your juncifolia dries completely between soakings. Brown leaves. This could be a sign of sunburn or underwatering. Adjust the light and watering frequency accordingly. Mealybugs. These tiny pests can infest your plant. Look for white, cottony patches on the leaves. Treat them with insecticidal soap or neem oil. Conclusion. Tillandsia juncifolia is a captivating air plant that adds a touch of whimsy to any space. With its minimal care needs and stunning appearance, it's a perfect choice for plant enthusiasts of all levels. By following these simple tips, you can ensure your juncifolia thrives for years to come. Happy planting!